Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is August 20th, 2020, and I want to give an update on how the red beets from when we showed you how to prep your soil for planting the red beets and then planting the seeds are doing. So you can see here how they're doing. They're growing beautifully. We've been harvesting some of the leaves off to eat them in our salads. And we decided to plant some carrots here. And there's some more red beets over there. And then we put some lettuce in because earlier we just had the lettuce plants growing when we were putting this in. So they're growing very well for us here, the red beets are. Now, the other bins, they were growing really well. We're having an issue keeping them watered because it's been so dry up here. We are over 2 weeks now without rain for gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. And then the ones that we're trying to grow, because we were trying to keep it watered, the rabbit got in. So we put a fence around it. And the rabbit got in through that fence. So we put another fence around now. So hopefully it keeps the rabbit out and we can get the red beets that are still left. They ate most of them off, and when they take the entire top, when they're just little babies, they're not going to come back because they actually ate like the whole plant. So these are growing beautifully here. And this was just water, the wind's blowing, and the wind has been just drying this stuff out, so I'm trying to keep it watered as much as we can. So if you didn't see the video for how we prepped our soil, we literally flooded our soil, and we had it all mixed around, and the soil was really soggy and wet when we put these in, and they're growing very well for us here. So I just want to give you this quick video update. When we harvest them, I'll come back with another video for that. You can actually see, let me see if I can get you, you can see the base of this plant here, and this actually does have the bulb on it already for our red beets. So when we harvest this, I'll come back with another video and I'll show you the harvest that we get out of it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell us when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!